Hello everyone. I have today Miss Arunima Agarwal. She is NBE NEET MDS rank 2. Uh,
Thank you so much, sir.
congrats Arunima for your rank.
Thank you.
How is the feeling?
So,
कैसा लग रहा है?
really very exciting and surprised.
Surprise.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are our regular batch student.
Yes, sir.
You have joined our session in which time?
December, 24th December.
24th December she has
Yeah.
joined. Okay, you
2000.
are our regular batch student.
Yes.
Okay. Why you have joined DAMS?
So it is kind of my personal choice.
Okay.
I needed a guidance to crack entrance exam, and I heard lot about DAMS for medical section, and heard lot of about DAMS notes. So
DAMS notes. Okay. And who has recommended you? Yourself?
Yeah,
You
yes.
have. Okay. How was the experience?
so wonderful. I mean, very, very, very wonderful.
How were the experience of our classes?
So really very good. All the faculty are very inspiring and motivational, and they used to cover the whole syllabus in very friendly and good.
क्या हमारी क्लासेस ने समय पे चीज़ें पढ़ाई थी आपको या कुछ टॉपिक हमने मिस किए थे या आधा पढ़ा के छोड़ दिया?
नहीं सर, सब पढ़ाया था. मतलब every topic is covered.
हाँ.
You don't have to search here and there for different topics, and it's really enough.
What about the duration of classes?
So like they are little bit tiring, but
But ये था कि हम सुबह से शाम तक
Yes,
आपकी
sir.
क्लासेस चल
Yes,
रही
sir.
हैं. Okay. Have you completed our syllabus on time?
Yes, sir. We have around 50 to 60 days for our revision.
Self-study. What is the experience of our Facebook club? We have a Facebook club also in which all the faculties are there for the particular subjects. How was the experience?
It's a very good. Like you see your doubts again and again. It just sticks in your into your mind,
Okay.
and
The
the
faculty used to
explanations are
reply.
the explanations were really good. Like you ask one thing and they answer many things.
Any particular faculty?
Yes, sir. Gaurav Verma sir. I must mention Gaurav Verma sir.
Gaurav, my surgical
Ye-
strikes.
yes,
like,
sir.
always on time and always
I'm
attacking the.
Really, sir.
MCQs.
Hands off to sir for explaining such wonderfully.
Have you given our test, subject by test, grand
Yes,
test?
sir.
Were you regular
I
in
was
that?
I was regular in giving tests, and it helped me really well to see my.
How do you like our test series? Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good. Like every single topic is covered in your test. Like you can revise the subject in your test. Like
And what about our CBT exam? Have you given our CBT
yes,
exam?
I'm really thankful to CBT exam. Like some of the questions are direct pick in the NBE NEET exam, so it really helped
Actually,
me.
we are the only academy which conducts in dental section CBT mock drill, like the All India NB NEET exam.
Yes, sir.
30-40 days before the actual exam, we give the real life feel or simulation of the exam. What was your rank in CBT?
So I ranked third in CBT, and it is very close to my NBT rank.
So she was ranked 3 in the CBT exam and she was ranked 2 in All India
Yes.
NEET and MDS exam. It is very good to see that the CBT has given us the
Yes, sir.
confidence
Yes,
which is
sir.
required for the cracking the exam. What about the DVT session?
So DVT sessions were really good. Like I must mention biochemistry session. Like you can revise the whole subject in just 2 to 3 pages, and you can matlab if you don't have time to revise the whole subject, you can just revise those notes. And
How was the duration of this DVT? Because
Like
we have
it is a-
told that it will be tiring, it will be 3-day
Yes,
session.
it is a 3-day session, but it was really good. You मतलब इंटरेस्ट बना रहता है.
Interest बना रहता है
yeah.
क्योंकि 3 दिन में लगभग सभी फैकल्टीज आके अपने अपने कुछ टॉपिक्स को कवर
Yes,
करती
sir.
हैं, विजुअल्स दिखाते हैं. We say it's a DAMS visual treat, but we cover the important points in NB.
They were really helpful in image questions and
image questions,
yes, sir.
right? Because 1 or 2 images were being asked
Yes,
in
sir.
NB NEET, and AIMS is actually now modifying its
Yes,
exam
sir.
pattern.
Yes, sir.
Most of them questions they have been asked in visuals. Have you used the DAMS cloud?
Yes, sir. I have used DAMS Cloud.
What is that in the cloud?
They're very PowerPoint presentations and slides of different subjects. It's very good for quick revision.
Some videos
and
are also
yes,
there.
the videos are also there, and they are also helpful in image questions and all.
Because we provide a cloud software in which the previous 3 to 4 year sessions, years recordings are there in the cloud section. where the student can, after completing the syllabus, he can go and watch the videos and enhance his knowledge what is being covered in those discussion sessions.
Like instrument visuals and oral surgery and oral pathology.
Oral pathology,
Yeah.
because oral pathology covers vastly.
Yeah.
What was the exam feel when you have seen the paper in 240 questions? How many you have attempted?
I have attempted 233 questions
So
from
she
out
has
of 240.
attempted 233 questions out of 240.
And
And why
I
you
just-
left 7 questions?
I thought ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. And how was the paper? What the initial reaction after seeing the paper?
Sir, I was like I attempted 210 or 215 questions in one go, and I was like, ये तो notes में था, ये तो notes में था. Yeah, it was like.
Have you
मतलब
discussed this among your friends?
yes,
that you are-
I have
you are-
discussed. मतलब वो लोग थोड़े से थे कि हाँ थोड़ा tricky था
हाँ.
question and all,
Because
but I was.
some people are saying it's a moderately tough paper or tough paper, which
I personally found it easy because of Dam's notes really.
She has find the paper very easy. In fact, she attempted 233 questions, and you are feeling क्या ये तो पढ़ाया गया था.
Yes,
है ना, ये
sir.
पढ़ाया गया था. उसको मतलब एक repeat paper नहीं था, applied.
Applied था.
It was
sir.
applied paper.
And
Special mention in the subject, like someone told that pharma was too much, oral path was too
yes,
much.
sir. But
as compared to
pharma,
other subjects.
like us, Amol Patil sir, he have teached us pharma so well. So I found it.
So Amol sir must be listening that यार pharma जो पढ़ाई उसमें उठ के आया है. It is good. It is good. Study material. Have you referred study material a bit amount, because what maximum we have covered in the classes, but
Yeah,
have you
so
referred
I have
study
read.
material?
मतलब I have basically I focused on Dam's notes. I have revised them 3-4 times. I must
Okay.
say. You cannot learn them in just one reading.
One
You
reading.
have to revise it again and again.
She was a holistically a Dam's notes follower.
yes, sir.
You know, what we have covered in the classes.
sir.
Any message to your juniors?
Yes, sir. Please be regular and but don't underestimate the power of your Dam's notes. You have to revise it again and again if you want a rank in NVE NEET.
Okay.
And,
And which branch and seat you are thinking? Which branch?
sir, I am confused between endodontics and
She is confused
prosthodontics.
in endo and prosto. Hopefully, she will join a good college and keep on motivating her juniors also in preparing for MDS exam.
Thank you so
It
much,
was
sir.
wonderful to speak to you, Arnima.
Thank you
है ना?
so much,
Congrats
sir.
for your future and good rank. right?
Thank you, sir.
All the best, beta.